Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different as it's sunny outside. We're going to be reviewing electric skateboards.
The new Evolve GT electric skateboard.
I've already done over 100 kilometers in this board, so I already know really well how it handles, how it works, and today I'm going to show you some of the things it can do. We're actually up a mountain. I'm going to show you on and off-road what this thing is capable of.
The Evolve GT comes in two variants, carbon and bamboo, all street tyres and off-road tyres. This is the carbon all-terrain model. The model has dual performance 3000 watt motors with insane torque. It is built of high-grade carbon fibre with Kevlar, and this particular model has 7-inch all-terrain wheels. It takes 3 to 4 hours to charge the battery. This provides a range of 30 kilometers or 8.5 miles. The board is controlled from the Bluetooth remote, where you can set the speed and also control the brake. A top speed of 22 to 25 miles per hour, depending on rider weight and terrain. The board weighs 9.5 kilograms or 21 pounds and has a powerful ABS braking system, which can bring you to a complete stop even when traveling at speed. This board can handle hills up to 25% gradient and a rider weight up to 100 kilograms. Currently this board costs £1,245, but should be on sale shortly as the latest model is coming out.
The board is made out of carbon fibre. It's very stiff, very strong. It's really easy to turn. It's very nimble. I've got a GoPro mount here. The motors are absolutely massive. Now you switch it on from the bottom, and there's also the charging port. These are the wires to the motors. There's no suspension, which you don't really need. The tyres are absolutely perfect for off-road conditions. You have 4 modes on the remote. Slow, which goes to about 12 miles an hour. Eco, which will go to about 20. Fast, you'll do about 25. GT, you're going to be doing 30 miles an hour on a skateboard. It is absolutely terrifying. It does have a brake. Push it there to go. You can hear the motor. And that's a brake. It connects to the board via Bluetooth. They have brought out a new remote, which is more reliable. I think it goes over Wi-Fi instead of Bluetooth, which you'll get with all new boards. Right, let's do some riding tests. This is the first time I've actually ridden this board this year. So, how fast is it going to be on the hills? Let's find out. Coming up to a 20% incline. I'm still in eco mode. Woohoo! Giving it a bit of throttle. It's eating the hill. You can expect probably 30-40 miles on a full charge. On hills, I guess, no problem. The battery seems to last forever. You'll get tired before the battery runs out. Let's see how fast this thing can actually go.
This board has a lot of torque. I can actually wheel spin the rubber wheels whilst going up a hill, and I weigh about 80 kilos. If you're looking for power for hills, this is definitely the board you want.
They are tarmac, but I'll go off-road with it later.
Handling and performance. The board size and weight aids stability. The board is silky smooth whilst riding on tarmac and paved surfaces. The large rubber wheels providing you with the confidence to travel at higher speeds. The chucks are firm, but easily allow you to carve and contour the board through corners by shifting your weight. The carbon chassis is rigid and the contouring provides enough grip to ensure you don't shoot off the board when you're accelerating or braking. All in all, the size and geometry of the board is really good. It gives you the confidence you need to travel at speed through difficult terrain. The board comes out of the box fully assembled. There are three main parts: the controller, the skateboard and the chargers. Pairing the remote with the board is easy. Switch on the controller, press and hold the pair button, switch on the skateboard and it will connect. Once the board is connected to the remote controller, you can then select your modes or change settings. The board only requires minimum maintenance, charging the battery regularly, occasionally tightening the chucks, and after a year or so, reviewing the wear and tear on the tyres themselves. If you are able to ride a standard skateboard, you should have no problems riding an electric skateboard.
The build quality is absolutely fantastic. It's carbon fibre, high-end materials, fantastic tyres. The motors on their own are expensive, 2000 watt motors. Obviously it's rear wheel drive, but you don't need four-wheel drive on a skateboard, especially if you're using it on fire roads, tarmac and grass. It's absolutely fine. Just to show you a bit of the view. Eco mode is more than enough for most people. I mean, eco mode will do 20 miles an hour, absolutely superb, and it's rock solid. The board is very stable, there's no rock. If you're looking for a skateboard, evolved and boosted boards are probably the best on the market. Naturally they're going to be the most expensive too, but you get what you pay for and you don't really want to buy something cheap when you're going to be travelling potentially up to 30 miles an hour. For commuting, I think these would be difficult to use for commuting, especially if there's a lot of traffic. So I wouldn't recommend them for commuting at all. Unless you were actually bike paths and basically roads and paths which are out the way. You can't really take in the road because the turning circle is poor. Fine for windy roads, but you're not going to be able to turn on a dime. And naturally, because you're on a skateboard, you're a lot more vulnerable to the elements. So you've got to keep your eyes out for potholes, you know, curbs, anything that could take you off the board. You should wear a helmet, just to let you know. You're not going to be able to brake from going fast down a steep hill. There simply isn't enough power to brake you. So just be wary if you're going down long steep hills. Keep the speed down, because once you start building up speed you won't be able to stop. Right, I am now truly off-road. I'm literally in long grass and ferns and things like that. I'm going to try actually going. I'm in GT mode. I don't know if you can see this, but wait. No problem at all. This is amazing. So in summary, absolutely superb board, very expensive but highly capable. You have to do a lot of maintenance to keep the board clean. As you can see, it's got a bit dirty. These aren't scratches, they're just dirt. The battery is still on 70%. The tyres do wear down over time, so you will have to replace them after every couple of 100 miles. The motors, they're warm, but they're not hot.
Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, if you like the video, please comment, like and subscribe. Every week I'm going to be bringing new content, new tutorials and new reviews.